Oh, hey. Thank you for tuning in. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on there and on Twitter. And subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you're always notified when I make a new upload. Getting into this video, going in with my BH Cosmetics 120 color palette. I'm using that hot pink color, and I'm also using a smudge shadow brush from Itsmyrayeraye's 9-piece brush set. And I'm actually just going to be packing that right on my crease, and I'll be building up the color since this color palette is not as pigmented. If you watch my other beauty videos, I use this palette a lot, and it has an amazing color range, but it takes a lot of work to build up the color. So as I do some research to find a color palette with a lot of colors that's more pigmented, you'll see it when I get it. Or if you have any recommendations, let me know. Moving along, this is what both eyes look like, and now it's definitely time to move on to another color. So I'm going in with this lavenderish purple color, and I'm using a large shadow brush just to apply that to my lid, getting in all the little crevices and making sure that it's nicely pigmented. Because it's purple, lavender, it's not going to be as pigmented as the pink, which is what I wanted. And going in with that same brush, I'm going to just blend out the top. If you want to see what it looks like, just look at my other eye. So after doing that, I'm going in with that smudge brush, and I'm just applying more hot pink to my crease. Just like you can see here, it kind of got lost, so it's important to go back and add it. Now using NYX's concealer in the shade CW01, I'm going to blend that out. And I'm going to be using Suva Beauty's 620 brush and her Scrunchie, which is a hot pink Hydra liner, to add that to my lid. The hardest part for me when creating an eyeliner is just making sure that both sides are even, but I'm pretty sure everyone goes through it, especially if you are really starting off. The great thing about these liners is that you can remove it with water, so that can also be seen as a con. However, they're very festive, they dry fast, and I love them. Going in with Itsmyrayeraye's second palette in the shade Scarlet, I'm going off I'm not going anywhere. I'm just using this off-brand brush and applying that to my waterline. I wasn't sure what color I wanted to use. I definitely did not want to use yellow because that's definitely a go-to. So I wanted to just step out and see what this would look like. And at this point, I'm just going in with that smudge brush and bringing that pink down to meet my eyeliner. Speeding through and curling my lashes and applying my Colossal Volume Mascara, I'm going in with BH Cosmetics Black Light Highlight 6 color palette in the shade Illusion, and I'm applying that to my cheekbones. I mean, at this point I was like, this is too much pink, but again, I was just playing with it, trying something new, trying something different, and there's nothing wrong with that. So I eventually applied too much and took some off with the concealer, but let me just give you my thoughts. Okay, I am back. Now, this look is definitely out of my comfort zone. I have a lot going on, a lot of pink, dark pink on my upper lid. I have like a lavenderish purple on my actual lid and a hot pink highlighter. It's not a highlighter, but I have a hot pink eyeliner, and I also have like this mixed tone pinkish purple color in my waterline. The point is, it's a lot for me. It's definitely out of my comfort zone, but hey, I'm just playing with it. If you like this look, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to leave a comment make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you never miss another video. If you are a makeup artist, if you like doing makeup as well, if you have a lot of years under your belt, if you have any constructive criticism, make sure to let me know down below. How would you do this look differently? How would you bring it together? What colors would you have used instead of the colors that I used, etc, etc. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the support. Hey, we're just having fun. I will catch you next time. Oh wait, if you want to know what my hair looks like, stick around 2 seconds, and then if you want to see the tutorial for what my hair looks like under this bonnet, check the previous video because it was just uploaded not too long ago.